also known as CORE. The outreach program is now heading into areas with the highest concentrations of homelessness in Honolulu. Kristen.
That's right, Marissa, Mika, there's been a noticeable increase in the number of people living in the streets in neighborhoods across Oahu, and the CORE program's hoping to help one person at a time. Jared Castro's been living on the streets off and on for more than 20 years, most recently in Mo'ili'ili. The Oahu native collects $8,000 a year delivering newspapers, but says the cheapest rent in the neighborhood is $1,000 a month.
We're trying to get out of here, but we had a hard time finding a place. It gets kind of rough, frustrating, but you just got to keep going.
The city's CORE program's trying to connect Castro with services to help reach that goal.
We can try and find out why they're homeless, find out the things that we can do and what kind of resources we can help them with or get them connected to. Some of them work, some of them live off Social Security, and everybody's situation is different. So if we kind of individualize all of our outreach resources, then we can help, I feel like, a little bit more people than just doing a general sweep.
The program started in Chinatown just 4 months ago and is heading to Mo'ili'ili, Waikiki, Kaimuki, and soon Hawaii Kai. The goal is to connect people to social services they need, including mental health and substance abuse programs, instead of sending them to emergency rooms for care.
It's the root of their problem. That way we can start with the foundation and work from there and see what kind of things that we can disperse throughout the whole community just to help everybody.
We'll come catch up with you about noon tomorrow, and we'll see if we can get you out of here, okay?
According to the city, the CORE team connects dozens of homeless people with community health workers and social service providers to help them eventually get housed. CORE reaches up to 8 people a day and transports as many as 4 clients to medical clinics instead of more costly emergency rooms.
They're making a difference every day, but the problem is so big, and we realize that it's not going to be an overnight fix. But we feel as the weeks and months go on throughout 2022, we will make huge strides in homelessness here.
Now, CORE has more than a dozen outreach and emergency medical technicians on staff, and city officials hope to have at least 50 workers by the end of the year as the program expands island-wide. Reporting live, Kristen Concilio, KITV4 Island News.